Ready to play a game? Here we go. We have our board set right here, and we have our number cubes and our number cards. First, let me set this up. Okay, we have, so going to the 1, second longest one, 2, that length, see, 3, 4, push, 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 and 5. Okay, here we go. So, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to show you a card and you will find the number of cubes that goes in the right spot. Ready? Show your friend any card. Flip it over like this. Do you see how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 dots. Okay, then look for 4 right here, and then let's put 4 cubes right here. All right, make sure that you can see the dots, right? Dot, 1 dot, 2 dots, okay, 3 dots, and let's see, 4 dots. Good job. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, show your friend another card. Ta-da! Oh, this way, right here. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay, now your friend has to go and find the 3 and put 3 cubes here. Here, I'll do it. Show you the dot. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now you can take turns showing each other a different card and then showing how many cubes go into each stick. And when you're done, let's check to see it's correct. We want to check the number of dots on the card and the cubes to see if they match. For example, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 dots, right? And this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots, like this. Okay, enjoy!